eric.com. Let's take a look at the chart for Monero. And here is for February 17th, 2018. I am seeing here the possibility that Monero might break out if it can sustain the levels above the previous recent weekly closing high. And on Poloniex, the level to watch there is 327.94. So if it can clear that level, that's a quality breakout. Our RSI looks good. RSI is trading above 69.1, and our MACDs are good in that both MACDs are breaking out to all-time high. So the MACDs are good. RSI is good. RSI is trading above 69.1. So this meets the minimum requirements for the ultimate Mwade breakout. I'm going to provide a link that is going to explain the method that I'm discussing here. So the stock definitely needs to break out. Otherwise, this could be a failed breakout attempt, because overnight it did try to stay above that price. It was above the price briefly. Now, the last thing you want is to be holding on to a failed breakout. Failed breakouts are notorious for taking instruments lower. Let's not forget that the recent move from the highs here to this low was huge, because that was almost a 71% drop. Right now it's trying to rally. The only way the stock has great momentum is if it does something like it did here with this breakout, which was successful, or this breakout here, which was successful. So if it wants to go higher, if it is going to go higher, it also needs a successful breakout. Otherwise, failure to break out successfully here, or in other words, failure to break out, will suggest a failed breakout. A failed breakout is the last thing the bulls want to see, because failed breakouts, once more, are notorious for killing rally attempts. Also, right now, we can see that it is coming back to test this RSI break. The RSI break that was responsible for coming off the highs. And this is the 4-hourly chart of the highs there. We take that break line, and we can see that overnight what Monero has done is come to test that line. We seem to have hit that line and stalled. So the breakout here is in question. And also, if the RSI goes on to trade below 69.1 on the hourly, on the 4-hourly, then this might suggest that around here Monero could be looking to stall based on the line that I just drew. So right now, based on the overnight attempt to break out, if it can't break out, and also if the resistance line continues being a problem, and also if we move below RSI 69.1 on the 4-hourly chart, that might suggest that now the next major swing trade for Monero is definitely going to have to be down, because of those two reasons: a failed price breakout, and also if and when we move below RSI 69.1. Otherwise, again, the only way we get a quality move here is with a monthly price breakout. eric.com. As always, good luck, peace, and oh, by the way, it's also good to point out here, these are the prices for the cryptocurrencies. If Monero struggles to break out, then all these prices for the cryptocurrencies are also going to be pulling back from current levels. eric.com. As always, good luck, peace, and blessings. E-A-C-S. Mwah.